Welcome to POIT. In this video, we are going to discuss on what is cryptography, why we require encryption algorithm and decryption algorithm in cryptography, what is key in cryptography. In cryptography, we will be using two algorithms. One is the encryption algorithm at the sender's side and the other is the decryption algorithm at the receiver's end. So, at the sender's side, the text will be given as an input to the encryption algorithm, and this encryption algorithm converts this text into the cipher text, and at the receiver's end the decryption algorithm receives the cipher text, then it converts this cipher text into the normal text so that the person at the receiver's end can access the information. For example, if someone sends a message as an hello, then this hello will be given as an input to the encryption algorithm. Then this encryption algorithm converts this text into the cipher text. Cipher text means which is an unreadable text. The cipher text is the series of randomized numbers and letters which humans cannot make any sense of. And at the receiver's end, the decryption algorithm receives this cipher text, then it converts this cipher text into the normal text. In cryptography, for both the encryption algorithm and decryption algorithm, there will be two inputs given. One is the text as an input and the other is the key as an input. So even if the outsiders gain access to the cipher text, they would not be able to read it without the key. So this is what the use of cryptography, which is more secure. In a simple statement, we can say that cryptography is the process of hiding or coding the information so that only the person to whom the message was intended to send. And the cryptography secures communication from outside observers because without the key they would not be able to access the data. Cryptography is used everywhere in our daily lives. It is used for authentication in many different situations, like when accessing a bank account or logging into a computer and using a secure network. It secures all the transmitted information in our internet world. It ensures the confidential transfer of private data. So this is what meant by an cryptography. If you feel this video is helpful for you, please do like this video and subscribe our channel POIT.